everyone, Dr. Emily Savage here with Revive Upper Cervical Chiropractic. I have a very important question for you today. I want to know, what is HRV? And I'll give you a hint. I'm not asking you about the Honda HRV or the Honda CRV or anything like that. In this context, when we ask about HRV, we're looking for heart rate variability. What is that? It's the variation in the intervals between your heartbeat, and really at the end of the day, the sign of a healthy heart is having some fluctuations in those beats. Heart rate variability is linked to what's known as your autonomic nervous system, which is made up of your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. And in a perfect world, they should kind of work together in harmony and really balance each other out. But your parasympathetic nervous system is also kind of known as your rest and digest system. And that one really reminds us to slow down. When we're in that parasympathetic state, it allows an increase in variability. When we're in that sympathetic state, that's our fight or flight system. It's going to really kind of ramp everything up, increase that heart rate, which allows for limit variability. As a general rule of thumb, you can think of having a high HRV to be associated with somebody who's got some better recovery, maybe a little bit better health, better adaptability, whereas a lower HRV is usually a sign of increased stress, maybe illness. And that's just a general rule of thumb. It may not be true in all cases all the time. All of these kind of fluctuations and things like your heart rate and your blood pressure and all those kinds of things are regulated by a part of your brain called the brainstem. And so it's at the base of the brain. It's kind of at that point where your brain transitions into your spinal cord. And there's actually been some research done that shows that upper cervical chiropractic care has had positive impacts on HRV and blood pressure and just the overall functioning of the heart. Because with that, we're better to able balance out the kind of harmony between different aspects of your nervous system. If you know of anybody who's looking to better adapt to day-to-day stressors, send them our way. We'd love to chat with them.